Hello and welcome everyone. I am Thamizharasu, your trusted business coach. Today we are going to demystify the concept of customer acquisition cost, a critical metric that can make or break your business. Whether you are a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, understanding and mastering this concept is vital for your business success and growth. So let's dive right in.
1. Understanding the concept of customer acquisition cost. The customer acquisition cost, or CAC, is the total cost your business incurs to acquire a new customer. It includes all the expenses related to marketing, promotions, sales, and so on. By keeping a tab on the CAC, you can estimate how much investment is needed to attract a new customer and plan your budget accordingly. 2. Importance of calculating customer acquisition cost for businesses. Now, why is it important to calculate the CAC? Simple. It helps you make informed business decisions. By knowing your CAC, you can assess the effectiveness of your marketing strategies, set realistic growth projections, and ensure your business remains profitable. 3. Key components that influence the customer acquisition cost. Several factors can influence your CAC. These include marketing and sales expenses, operational costs, and the competitiveness of your industry. It's vital to understand these components to accurately calculate and manage your CAC. 4. Step-by-step guide to calculating customer acquisition cost. Calculating the CAC is quite simple. You just need to divide your total acquisition expenses by the number of customers you gained within a specific period. I'll walk you through this calculation step by step in another video. 5. How to reduce customer acquisition cost effectively. Reducing your CAC effectively can boost your profits drastically. Strategies may include optimizing your marketing campaigns, refining your target audience, and improving customer retention. 6. Impact of customer acquisition cost on return on investment, ROI. Your CAC directly affects your ROI. Higher CAC means lower ROI and vice versa. Reducing your CAC can significantly increase your ROI, making your business more profitable. 7. Differences between customer acquisition cost and lifetime value, LTV. While CAC measures the cost of acquiring a new customer, lifetime value, or LTV, is the total revenue you can expect from a customer throughout their relationship with your business. Balancing these two metrics is essential for sustainable business growth. 8. Exploration of industries with the highest and lowest customer acquisition costs. Different industries have different CACs. For instance, the technology and finance sectors generally have higher CACs due to high competition and marketing costs. On the other hand, industries like retail and food service typically have lower CACs. 9. Case studies illustrating successful reduction of customer acquisition cost. Let's look at some real-world examples of businesses that have successfully reduced their CAC, boosting their profits and growth. 10. The role of digital marketing strategies in lowering customer acquisition cost. Digital marketing strategies, when done right, can dramatically lower your CAC. With tactics like SEO, content marketing, and social media advertising, you can reach more potential customers at a lower cost. And that's a wrap on today's topic, folks. I hope this discussion on customer acquisition cost has been informative and useful. Remember, understanding and managing your CAC is key to running a successful and profitable business. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about such business-related topics, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.